So I have myself a new toy and I'm getting a kick out of it. It's by Olsatools. I've been carrying it in my pocket. Even like the phrase, do more, do better. Why do I like this? Because it is a bolt head size finder. And I can't tell you how many times I could have used this and saved a whole lot of steps going back and forth to the toolbox because I got the wrong size by one size or something like that. Okay, so this is adjustable. If you look close on here, this side is metric. This side is SAE. Can you imagine how many times, I cannot tell you how many times, like, oh, it's not 9/16, it's, so let's check it out. Oh, I got this mishmash of tools and parts, but here's a bolt right here. I'm gonna squeeze it down, open it up, and squeeze it down, and I got it right there. So the little deals on the sides there. See it? It says it's not metric. It is somewhere between 13 and 14. Look over here on this side. It looks like it's 9/16. See how that marker is right near 9/16? Golly, man, I wish I've had this thing a long time ago. Let's see. Let's try this. Again, I'm just gonna, well, it's gonna be ornery, but that's what life is. Difficult, hard. Mechanicing is not easy. Okay, so open it up, squeeze it down right there. This time it shows 5/8. See a little point right there? But if I wanted to say, oh, well, what if it was a metric? It would be a little bigger than 15, a little less than 16. How about these little bolts down here? Let's see what that shows. That one shows an 11. And if it was standard, it would be 7/16. Oh, that's so wicked nice. And this is a cinder. Let's see here. Got it clamped down right there. That shows close to a 3/4 metric. It shows 19. That's so nice, man. I'm telling you. And it's a keychain. So I can't lose it as easy. I'm gonna end up with that. This Olsatools piece as my keychain. I'm promising you. So I'll always have it. Looks pretty rugged as it is and a tough little thing, so I know my keychains have a hard life, but this thing is gonna save me a lot of steps and a lot of frustration. Having to get up and go back over. It's like, yeah, it's not the right wrench. Sell me another one, larger or smaller. Anyway, I'm so happy to have this. I just can't express my happiness. It's really cool. You might consider it, man. I'm gonna check one more thing. Big old thing right here. I wonder if it'll go that far. Just barely. Somewhere beyond 25 on that side, and on this side, beyond an inch. It doesn't even mark it, but it measured it. So 1.1/8 or 26, 27. I'm telling you, me moving from, this is my favorite tool for now. All right, guys, if you want this, it'll be down the bottom. Get the link and get it for yourself, man. It's really, really handy for me. And I understand. Might not be for you, but it is for me.